In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. If you don't have microphone icon, all you need to do is click on this gear one, also at the top of your keyboard. Choose voice typing and enable it here. Quick tip, if you decided you don't want to use voice typing, after tapping on your microphone, click on tiny icon that appears right next to it. Then choose next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To move your toolbar around, hold it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. To manage some available settings, click on those three lines on the left, and to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!